Good morning. This morning, on this beautiful November autumn morning, we're going to fit an engine guard to the Sport Glide. So I've got the engine guard here resting on the box that it came in. I've got a towel underneath so I don't scratch the bottom if I place it down on the ground. Tools that I'm hoping that I'm going to need. I've got a 1/4 inch Allen socket and a T45 torque for the bottom 2 bolts, and the Allen socket is for the top bolt. Right, let's see where these bolts go then, shall we? Should be nothing short of a 10-minute job. So, bend my knees down. So at the top, I don't know whether you can see this. Let me try and put a little bit of light on it if I can. So there's 2 holes here, depending which one the engine guard bolts up to or fits up to. That's where the Allen bolt and nut go. So that's the top, and at the bottom, at the bottom there's some plastic plugs that need to be pushed out from the other side, and that's where the T45 torque screws go. So let's get those plastic plugs out first and offer the guard up to the bike. So I got the one on the other side out, and it looks like this. It's got a little thread on it, and the only way that I managed to get it out, because the head is so flush, I managed to bend the edges of the flange up with a screwdriver, and then I managed to get a pair of pliers on it and just twist it. So that's what I'm going to try and do here. So I don't know whether you're going to be able to see much, but I'll try. Just need a little bit of patience. It's coming okay. Oh, still too tight to do with my hands. There. That's the little plug. Plastic plugs are out. And we'll offer the engine guard up. What I've done, I've put the padding, the packaging that I got with the guard on the floor, so just ease that through there and rest it down. What I'm going to do is put the bolts in the bottom without Loctite on until I get everything in, then I'll pull them out one at a time and put Loctite on then. Right, so let's try and do this so that I don't get in the way. Let's take that out again. Put a towel over the mud guard. Don't want that getting damaged. That wouldn't be much fun. Right, that's one bolt started. putting the towel on the mudguard was a really good idea. Right, that's the bottom two in. And we got here is the clutch cable, which is going to get, just needs to be moved around a little on these clips. Let's just take that clip off. It's a bit tricky, but if you just put some, I've got it. Right, so what I had to do was hold the engine guard up with my knee, and then I just balanced the nut between my two fingers and slid it up behind, and then started the screw. And if you get a 1/2 inch AF spanner on the nut, right, I'm not going to do that right up tight. Okay, I'm just going to take the weight of the engine guard, I put a bit of Loctite on it. I'll put a long extension on it so that I don't chip any paintwork. And I just pinched it up a little bit. I've pinched the other side up, now I'm just going to do the same with the top bolt. This top screw should be tightened to 41 Newton meters or 30 pounds, 30 foot-pounds, and the ones on the bottom should be 44.8 Newton meters or 33 foot-pounds. So once you've done that, you're good to go. All we have to do now is just put this clip back. Put it up there. It was here where the engine guard was, but it was a little bit tight, so I just pulled it off and we just moved it up 1 inch. So there we go. So there we go. There's my Moustache engine guard. Now the only thing I've got to do now is I've got some rear guards coming for my panniers, so when they turn up we'll put them on. Otherwise I think we're good to go. Still undecided about the seat, but we'll see. I just hope this has been of use to you. So until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.